This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by diagnosing the problem. Is it flaking, bubbling, or just a scratch? Once identified, clean the area with a degreaser so new coatings will adhere. Use a scraper to remove loose paint, then sand feathered edges with 120 grit followed by 220 grit to blend. Make sure to wipe away dust with a tack cloth so primers and fillers bond properly. You apply a filler to dents or gouges, smoothing it slightly high so you can sand it flush after curing. This restores profile and prevents sinkage. Once smooth, prime the spot with a primer matched to the substrate and paint system. This ensures adhesion and blocks stains. Then mix or select a matching paint, testing on scrap and letting it dry to confirm color and sheen before moving to final coats. You apply thin, even coats, spray or brush, allowing proper flash time between layers. Thin coats avoid runs and blend into the feathered edges. Once coverage is achieved, wet sand high spots with 800 to 2000 grit if necessary, then polish to match surrounding finish. If you see lifting or poor adhesion, stop, reprime the area and repeat. For stubborn failure, perform a solvent adhesion test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.